Wow, look at this rain. Woo! That is cool. Wow. Holy cow, it's like a rain wrapped tornado. Oh. Oh. Oh my god, wind driven rain. Ah! Jesus. Mom, no, you're crazy. No. Dude, look at that. Oh, wow. Woo! Damn. Come on, stop, please. Oh my golly. I was right on the other side of the camera, even though it's inside the house. Oh man. Woo. Wow. Oh my god. Oh please. Oh my god. Oh my god. Mom, please. Mom, please. It's not going to become anything strong. I guarantee it to you. It's not going to become anything strong. I can guarantee it to you. Yes. You don't. Holy crap. You don't see it in the clouds. No, that does not matter. Wow, that was an interesting little burst of... Wow. Wow.
It's crazy that there's like so different from
Can you like... Oh, here. Like, dude, I'm like... Ah, rain. Ooh, more rain. Wind. It will be. Putting all this water into it. Oh my god. All the water's coming in here. I'm sacrificing my camera for good footage. Ah, crap, that's a lot of water. Alright, it's not much wind now. Wow, not a single flash of lightning either. That's interesting. Ah, cooling rain. Ooh, still got some wind left. Sideways rain. You barely see it anyway. Ooh. Ah. What was that? Oh, so we got another strong wind gust coming up. Can't really see those trees over there. Those signals have excellent. Signals have excellent megapixels. More like excellent definition. Ooh. Ah. Oh, look at that. It's darker over to the west again. I wonder why. Actually. Ooh. Not sure what's going on over there to the west, but I guess I'll have to find out. I'll have to show the radar in a separate video very soon. Yeah. This was pretty interesting.